So I'm just getting slow so I can see, you know what I mean? Bagel wrap coffee house.
It's not going to do a full brekkie here, is it? Oh, I don't know, it might do a full breakfast, that one. It's just parking. Well, I don't know, there's enough spots here on the left-hand side.
Subway.
If you turn around and come back up.
Yeah, I think it's one way, so we'd have to go round and back, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I see there's a cafe.
There's a cafe go round and back then?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
We'll just scatter ourselves out in front of your beat.
See if I can go this way, I can't remember, so this is a gamble one.
Yeah, there's a cafe there.
Right,
Right here, cafe.
Come on then, let's have a look, eh?
Let's have a look, eh?
There's a car park and all. Well, you can park the bike on the road here, on the path.
On the path.
Are we going to have a go? Are we having a go?
Park it on the path and see if we
Hang
can
on,
get breakfast here.
fucking bloke there. Yeah, there might be a parking on the back here. Sorry. I'm just getting you eat. Not parking all the way up there. Unless you want to go see if there's one at the end. No. Just try park over that side of the road, yeah? Oh. There's a cafe there and all and stuff, so...
Should we just stop him on the path here? Just park him on the path.
Walk it on. A couple of you get on there and a couple of us get over there. I'll get over there. There's only enough room there for one does, do you know what I mean? So I'll get by them. Hey, I'm seeing you fucking putting his walking stick back in his mobility scooter. Come on, Lou, Lexi.
What?
Everyone out, yeah, everyone got anywhere seeing you out? Can't see him.
He's coming.
Go on, we're going then. We're going. Left here. Come on.
I think it'll be a nice day today.
Fucking hell. Wait. Put your mouth outside you fucking helmet. He doesn't need a fucking car, though, does he? He can just fucking shout you. He could be 10 miles in front and just shout you.
I can hear him from after that, God. Just hear this echo out, Roy.
Hopefully it stays dry quite a bit, Hardy, because I'll go to the pub straight out from here, like, you know what I mean?
Well, YouTube, I had a really shit night last night.
That's because you fucking bought a 17 quid tent, would you?
Me.
Just right up back.
It's a straight line.
We're just going steady anyway, so...
Yeah, we'll just roll. Just roll. No car behind you, is the pig?
No, nothing behind me.
Let us know if there is, and then we'll get big jumbo jets landing at it.
No.
I bet Kyle pulls his face now because I've got a great good tear on
I just stood up and all.
Fucking idiot! Did you? That fucking stinks, so he must have had instant mouthful.
I'm glad I'm not on the back of you.
Mate, it's a good job he hasn't got his car now on. He's calling me every fucking name under the sun.
That's got to be pink eye.
Why are your eyes watering? Why are your eyes watering? Come on then. Just wait, yeah, Toyota's letting us go. See if we can get a spot down here then, yeah? Hey Carter, radio off. I think we're going to struggle because it's a nice bloody day, ain't it? Now.
Yeah.
We used to, this is all new pig.
Yeah, it wasn't you last time, was it?
No. Can't park there. I think we're going to struggle to park unless we come back later. What do you reckon?
I'll keep getting down so we can see.
I've got my indicator on still.
Could always park on the path.
See, we're alright, it's big we're accommodating for now, do you know what I mean?
Yeah. If you see one spot, just give Peg a shout. I'll get in it.
Yeah, and then we'll park on the path.
Yeah.
Car coming out here.
He's
Car
coming out.
Car's coming out. Yeah. Go on, mate. Big jump in that and then we'll get on the path, yeah?
Yeah. So whoever's in front of Pig, wave Pig into that spot there.
Yeah, hang on, and then someone, you get 2 bikes in here with Pig, so the last 2 get in and get Pig in with you, yeah? Hanging up on the path here. Yeah, I'm getting up on the path here.
Where are you parking?
I'm in park here.
What? Just on that bit there?
No, here. In park here.
You'll get done.
What?
You'll get done.
Yeah, I'll go further down, see if we can see anything down here.
Say again, what's down there?
I'm just going to say, I'm just going to have a creep down here to see if I can find something. If not, I'll walk it on the path at the end. Yeah, man.
Hey, well, that's what pulling out here, me, you get it.
Well, we have to pay in.